we're going to be working on our C7 Corvette today. Going down through the audio system that's currently in it. Right here we have our full DSP amplifier. Here we have our mono amplifier, which runs the 8-inch Alpine Type Rs in the doors. We have our Alpine DSP standalone head unit. We're going to revamp it to where it looks factory, but when you hit a switch, it'll all slide out. So I have to cut every one of these zip ties to remove these wires off this amp board. So the Corvette waterfall is what they call it. We're gonna put a Alpine sub there. This is for the alignment pin for when the convertible top comes back. There's an alignment pin in the middle. When it comes back down, it'll slide in and lock into place. We're gonna mold the two pods that are in the rear already with this, so it's all seamless, one pod. It'll look really clean. I already got all of the wires that I'm not going to be using isolated and heat shrink separately so that we don't have to worry about any connection issues or sparking or anything like that. All right, so here we have our base amp board. So the sliding tray, that's gonna be motorized for the Corvette. It's gonna house our DSP amp as well as our two 750 monos. Everything in the trunk will look original. We'll hit a button, the drawer will slide out. Unfortunately, now I gotta take all of it back off. Peel the protective laminate and the tape on the back. This OEM panel, if you can tell, it's slightly a gray black. So we're gonna take and we're gonna wrap that with trunk liner to make it all match one piece. Got the amp rack, amp drawer done. Got all my carpeting done, all my wiring done. So we got our acrylic in here, got the LEDs lit up inside so you can see the pattern of the acrylic. From here, we'll be throwing it in the car and getting it tuned up.
here at High Streets Cars and Coffee, unveiling the C06 Corvette. We got the amp rack back in the car. I think it's amazing, man. It came out great. We got the pods, the speakers back in, fully blended, all the way ready to go with the sub in the middle. We're out here just enjoying the weather, you know, good day out here on Saturday.